we should look at what is happening today as a call for action, and also as an opportunity to accelerate the transformation of the economy, create more opportunities, especially for the youth. We expect that both growth and unemployment to be affected this year. And overall, this crisis could bring growth down by 5%, as well as also unemployment could go up by 5%. Lebanon needs a comprehensive reform program that tackles deep-rooted issues. Of course, this requires that the next government to accelerate the path of reform, reforms that should be comprehensive and widely supported in order to lift the economy of Lebanon out of the crisis.